aha mukoro gwo kuzika Fiona Kobusinge Kabyanga orumuhara wa Minister Godfrey Kabyanga. Minister Dr. Chris Baryomunsi ashoborire ngo mbyange bindi nkaguru government yahereze kombeka y'amarwariro gekokoro gukande ntebekanisa zo kugombe ko muri Kasese nazo ziriyo zigendo misho.
In cabinet on Monday last week we approved money to build the cancer institutes in the Mbale Hospital and the Arua, West Nile. We have already built one in Guru, and also we have secured funds for the cancer institute in Mbarara.
Okurugera har Minister Chris Baryomunsi emyanye n'abarwire bindi bekokoro niyo batandekere nayo ngukonkani bija kwikomyanye ndijo okwetorori hanga.
And that is what is guiding the construction of these regional cancer institutes. But we shall look at the data to see whether there are any specific factors in Kasese, and we can always explain to the public, but the studies which have been done do not indicate that Kasese has necessarily a higher burden than the rest of the country.
Ngende sawa mukama ndiye kiu muligania omwoyo w'omwana wayi ine ikamuhora
omwana w'emyaka 35 na mukaaga first of all amakunyala mulere baitinya binyamatwarwa cancer omubutugu bunene cancer yikahamba mundunya namabetu ngahe emyaka inalengireho.
Omugenza zikirwa mu cyaro cya Rusese omutawuni kanso ya Mpondo Rubiraha district ya Kasese. Amakuraga gashakwa Gilbert Mahanguzi.